Okay, we are now on keyboarding lesson 3, and our goal here is to type new keys like M, T, P, and C keys. Okay, so let's warm up first. You can type this 2 times or 3 times. I mean space, colon, SS, LL, K, F, K, J, H, E, O, R, A, semicolon. He held, I say, for her as she had asked. Okay. Enter key. Type this like 2 times or 3 times. Let me do the paragraph single. Okay, so now let's do the M key. Okay, M key. The M key. You use the J finger to hit the M key. J, the first finger on your left hand, to hit the M key. Okay, so it goes like this: J, 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 M, J, J, M, J, M, M, J, 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 M, J, J, M, J, M, J, M, J, 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 M, J, enter. Type that each line 2 times. Okay, next is mad, mom, me, semicolon, I am, jam, semicolon, round, down, round, down, ham, ma, ma. Okay. Next one, arm, long, name, roam, make, fame, room, same. Okay, next is she made more room for some of her ham, semicolon. Okay, so type all of this like 2 times or 3 times. Okay, next is, let's try T key, T. Now this T, use the F finger, the first finger on your left, to hit the T key. Okay, let's go. F F O my let's go bold. F F D F F D F D F D F F F F D F F D F D F D F F F F D F. Okay, 2 times or 3 times that line. Next is tar, dam, mat, hot, jet, rat, eat, lot, art, set. Okay. Next is told, take, date, late, mark, make, tool, fate, enter key. Next one is he told her to set a later date to eat, semicolon. Okay, do this like 2 times or 3 times the whole thing. And now let's delete this. Let's go with the C key. C key. This time use the D finger to click the C key here. D finger. Okay. And let's try this. D D D D C D D C D C D C D D D D C D D C D C D C D D D D C D. Okay, 2 times or 3 times each line. Next is card, sack, act, car, coup, arc, ace, cup, cat. Okay. Next is back, tap, chat, chat, let's say go, face, aces, deck, ghost. Okay, next one, call, let's see, her, call her to race, cool, care, at the truck. Okay, so repeat this, the whole thing. Type the whole thing again, 2 times or 3 times if you want. Next one is, okay, let's do the skill building with short phrases. Okay. Now sit in the correct position as you type these drills. Okay. Don't move your fingers. Okay, so it goes like this. As bold. As so. See and as met let her pass pace. Okay, 2 times or 3 times each line. To ask her for the hand pop look past. Next one, do as top and let pat hold. Then okay, next is as he had for red cup, she let pass blood. Okay, do this again 2 times or 3 times. Now let's do the timing, 1 minute timing. Okay, 1 minute timing. This one, our goal is 12 word per minute. Okay, 12 word per minute. At least 3 error only. Okay, let's start. The old store. Try not to look at your fingers. Home had lots of cheap. Enter key. Stools for the sale. Okay, turkey. Do this over and over until you get the one minute key with your timer, if you have a timer. Okay, so that's for the lesson 3. All right.